Welcome once again to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do that and click on the notification bell for more videos. Today we are going to look at how to create a website using HTML. So launch your text editor, and if you don't have a text editor installed, kindly watch my previous video on how to install a text editor. And we have a whole lot of text editors there, but I prefer Sublime Text. And I create a new file, then I come to save as. I go to desktop to save it, and I create a new folder for it. Call my website. Okay. We open it up, and then index.html .html. You can save it at any name.html. Can be my website.html, my first name.html. It should always be .html. HTML is the extension for this document type. So you click on save. And we open tag for HTML. You press enter, it fills it all. That's the beauty about Sublime Text. So now we have our skeleton. This is the skeleton of our web page. So let's launch it and see how it is. Okay, it's totally empty. There is nothing on it, and we have to now put something on it. Content. It doesn't have a content, but it is telling our browser that this is an HTML document. So document type HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. HTML is a markup language, not a programming language, and it is the basis for all things on the web. So we have our opening tag for HTML, and we have our head as in the skeletal. Let's say for human skeletal, we have the head, the body, the hands, and the legs. So we have here, so on the head we have like the nose, the eyes, all these ones are like that. So the head, we have all this, the meta tag, the title tag. The meta tag we'll look at it later. And we have the closing tag for the head, and we have opening. So the opening tag is in this form, and the closing tag you bring the // before you close it. That is the closing tag. Now let's look at the title. So the title here, the title of your web page, like we have Google, Amazon. So let's say my website, my first website. Okay, Control S, and then we refresh our browser, and there we have it, my first website. Okay, so the title, we have it, and this is the closing tag. Also we have something we call comments. So to comment in an HTML document, you bring the exclamation mark, and then you bring this too, and this is a comment. This is a comment. Then you close it. So this, it will not appear on our web page. You see, it hasn't appeared. You refresh and it hasn't appeared, but it is used to make a comment of your HTML codes. So now we are done with the comments. So let's look at the body, what we have at the body. So let's say hello world. then you save and you refresh.